some kind of magic. We both know it right away.